Okay, physicists, we are going to be doing a lab today called Modeling the Second Law. For modeling the second law, because you read your instructions already, you're going to find this link on Canvas, and you might have already clicked this link if you're listening to me, but you're going to click this, you're going to open it. Once it opens, you are going to choose acceleration over here with the bucket, and then you're going to follow your directions. So step 1, or let's say part 1, what happens to acceleration if the same force is applied to objects with different masses? Step 1, in the upper right hand corner, be sure that all these boxes are checked. So you have forces checked, sum of forces, values, masses, and speed. That's everything you need. You want to move your friction slider all the way to none. A 50 kilogram box is already on the track. If not, you can click and drag objects on and off. You're going to need to do this later, but you won't need to do that now. Very important, step 4, click pause. If you don't click pause, it's going to slide once you put the applied force. Step 5, set the applied force to 100 newtons. There you go. Very important, click play and start your stopwatch at the same time. So I'm doing the stopwatch on my phone. So 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm going to wait for this guy. Step 7, allow the box to accelerate from an initial velocity of 0 to 40. Stop your stopwatch when the speed equals 40 meters per second, or when the guy falls down, which is the same thing. So he's approaching 40, and there it is. Oh, I didn't need to pause that. I need to pause my timer, but still I got that as well. I pressed both. And for that one, I got 20.24, so I'm recording that here. So 20.24 on my table, and then I'm going to do the same trial again. Something that's kind of annoying about this lab is every time you hit reset, it resets everything. I'm actually going to try this. Okay, that doesn't do anything. But yeah, it's going to reset everything, so you're going to want to set up the same. So sum of forces, values, masses, speed, friction to none, pause that, and then you want to set your applied force again, and then you're going to run your second trial. So getting my stopwatch ready, 3, 2, 1, go. And again, I'm going to wait for this dummy to get to 40 meters per second, and then I will show you the calculation next. Alright, he's approaching this speed, and pausing my stopwatch. So this time, oh, pretty consistent. I got 20.24. So I wanted to show you the average, but if both times are the same, you're going to have the same time so for your average, so 20.24. But all you do for your average is you add these two things up, and then you divide by 2 to get this, and then you're going to calculate your acceleration. So with your acceleration, you have change in velocity, which is 40 right here, because your dummy went from 0 meters per second to 40 meters per second. And then your change in time, which your change in time is just the amount of time. So you're going to go to your calculator, and you're going to divide 40 divided by 20.24 equals, and you're going to get 1.9762 blah 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 blah. Just round to 1.98. 2 decimals is fine for this. I don't need a billion decimals, so 1.98, and that is in meters per second per second. So as you can see on this table, and if you read step 9, repeat with 100 kilograms, 150 kilograms, 200 kilograms, and 300 kilograms, and then you're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm just going to reset this and again show you to add weight. Let's check all this so you can see the weight. To add weight, so if you're doing 100 kilograms, you're going to put 2 boxes. If you're doing 150 kilograms, you need a box and a bucket of water. If you need 200 kilograms, you can take everything off and just use this fridge, and then 300 kilograms, you can do a fridge and 2 boxes. But you're going to have to run those trials and record the data yourself, because I want to show you step B, or part two. So part two, again, in the upper right hand corner, you want to click forces, sum of forces, values, masses, and speed. Those are checked. You want to set your friction for none. And the difference between this is you're going to have more applied force instead of more weight for your table this time. So it's kind of the same, but it's a little different. So you want to click the pause button, pause. Set the applied force to 100 by clicking your right arrow twice. Why can't I click that? Let's see. Oh, nope. And again, I know it's annoying setting this up over and over, but it's important, so it's not too hard. Right, so my force is at 100, like step 5 says. Very important, click play. Start your stopwatch at the same time. So I'm going to hover over play. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. And again, you are going to stop your dummy when they reach 40 meters per second or they fall down. So I'm just going to look for the dude to fall down, the dummy. And right there. So I got 20.27. So you're going to go back to this table. You're going to record 20.27. And then you're going to run that trial again. So reset, sum of forces, you want to set this friction at 0, click pause, click this twice, and then get your stopwatch ready, and hover over play. 3, 2, 1, go. And you should see that the speed is about the same, but we do multiple trials to get good data. A scientist would never run one trial and say, that's science. Remember, we want to be able to replicate things, and that is what these simulators are really good at. Okay, pausing. So this time I got 20.15, so it looks like we'll have to actually average things, which I can actually do that in my head, but you don't have to. So 20.27, 20.27 plus 20.15. That equals 40.42. You want to divide that by 2, and that's going to give you, whoops. Let's redo that. So I had 40.42. 40.42 divided by 2. There we go. That's going to be 20.21. So 20.21, and then you're going to calculate your acceleration again. So again, that's this number divided by this number, so 40 divided by 20.21. So 40 divided by 20.21 equals 1.979. So give me a 1.98 for that because you're rounding up, and you should see that's pretty close to your first trial because it was set up the same, but now you're going to add force to it. So instead of like last time, so let's pause this. So last time you were adding more mass. This time you are going to add more force. So 1, 2, 3, 4, got all those. No friction. Pause it. And it's calling for 200 newtons in force, so you would click this 4 times and then click play. So that should be all you need to know for this. I think this should be a pretty quick assignment. Let me know if you need help. This should help you a lot though. Yeah, good luck, have fun. Remember, with these simulators, it's always okay once you're done or while you're doing it, play around with stuff. So if you want to play around with this acceleration meter, do it. If you want to reload this page and play around with the motion or the net force, which we've done before in this class, or friction, or any of those, please do. These simulators are for you. Like, yes, we make assignments with them, but they're really for your personal discovery in physics. and it's good to like do those things on your own because it's annoying to have a teacher tell you to do everything all the time. So if you want to play around with these, do it. That would be awesome to see. And Mr. Bear out. Good luck.